Classmates, today we're going to be doing two types of bicep exercises, bicep curls, standard and hammer. Your biceps are very important. It's important that your biceps are strong doing any type of lifting, whether you're lifting groceries or your lawnmower, it doesn't matter. All right, execute exercise, arms to the side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The rep requirement is always 6 to 10. Now for the hammer curls. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Squeeze. You feel the squeeze when you come up? Bring it down. Feel that squeeze when you come up? Bring it down. Side view, hammer curl. 1, 2. That's right. Feel the squeeze. Looking good. That's right. Keep it up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, classmates. That is my demonstration of standing bicep curls.